Next Wednesday, August 21st, I'm speaking at the TDWI training event in San Diego. My talk is called Preparing Your Company for Effective Data Science, a Proven Framework. When I think about the most important points in that talk, something that comes up over and over is setting a really good objective. Think of the objective as the main point of your business. If your business can do this really, really well, you'll succeed. If you don't do this well, you hardly ever succeed. What is that one thing? That's the main objective. This is the thing that should be set well before any wireframing, before any developing, before any data are captured. So let's say that the objective is to engage customers. In that case, we want to collect data that tell a story about how we're engaging customers, and we want to build machine learning models to help us predict the next best thing to show to the customer or that the customer can experience to drive up this engagement. So let's take a quick detour. Early in my career, I can remember getting a new data set for a brand new project and being so excited to go off and dive in and look at what's there. Maybe I'd apply some dimensionality reduction to reduce the space of all the variables, or maybe I'd do a correlation analysis to see if I had columns that were highly correlated. Maybe I'd find a binary column and do some classification. And once I found something, I'd get excited and I'd think, wow, this is really important to whatever we're going to do with this data. I just know that this one point is important. And I'd really deep dive on this one thing I found until I was really convinced that it had a lot of bearing on whatever the problem was going to be. The trouble is, that's sort of like leaving the house and going for a walk and trying to get to a place that's 5 miles away and just turning at any intersection, any different direction. I'm much more likely to end up walking right by my own place than I am to get to my destination. Start with a very, very simple model that gets us one step closer. If we think of the objective as engagement, what can we do? What one simple, perhaps heuristic, gives insight to more engagement? And we look for those heuristics, those simple things. We build a good pipeline to go from start to finish, and we put a simple heuristic in place. Then we can go off many different paths and see, can we make that better? Can we take that simple model, make it more complex? I believe that objectives are the most important part of good data science projects. And I hope this quick video helps you frame some of the conversations you can have internally in your company to really uncover the best objectives and the right ways to get there. Thanks for watching.